Today I'm gonna give you my special recipe if you have sick back, if you have pain, inflammation, stiffness in your back, if you want to make this all go away. My special drink is gonna help you a lot. This is pineapple and turmeric anti-inflammatory smoothie. Intended use: aids in reduction of inflammation and improving joint mobility with bromelain from pineapple and curcumin for turmeric. Ingredients: 1 cup pineapple chunks, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 cup coconut water, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Preparation: place pineapple, turmeric, black pepper, coconut water and the chia seeds in the blender. Blend until smooth. Serve immediately. This is my recommendation. You drink this kind of smoothie 1 time a day, 30 days in a row, and you will see a lot better function of your sick spine. And this is also recommended if you have any kind of joint problems like hip arthritis, knee arthritis, or any kind of arthritis in your body. And this is perfectly natural way for you to get better. For the last 25 years after I finished college, I'm working with the patient from all around the world. My specialty is natural remedies, nutrition, and physical therapy and rehabilitation. Every year I help thousands of people from all around the world. If you want to know how you can cure your diseases through natural remedies and a healthy lifestyle, call my office, MarioLab Center in Croatia at +385 98 917 9200. Feel free to contact us through Viber, WhatsApp, or visit my website mariolab.hr, where you can find many more information about my work and how I can help you. I have put my knowledge of natural remedies and nutrition in my 3 books. My 3 books is about the nutrition. First one is Intermittent Fasting, The Secrets of Health and Longevity, and next 2 are about nutrition and the natural remedies that can help you a lot. The books are also available on English language on my website mariolab.hr. All information you have all below the video. My help is available to all of you from all around the world. If you are from North or South America, Africa, Asia, the Middle East, Australia, or Europe, take advantage of my private phone consultation. Call my MarioLab Center right now. Make an appointment. I will make sure for you to get better in natural way with any kind of side effects, as I've been doing for the last 25 years.